Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. If you're brand new, please push the little subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can get notified when we have our daily videos and our daily live videos. Okay, so today is Sunday. So for both Fly Babies that are payroll and Fly Babies that are at home, we're going to do the same thing. Today is Renew Your Spirit Day. It's Sunday. That means we still get up and do our morning routine like always, put our children through their morning routines like always. The difference is yesterday you laid out your church clothes if you're going to church today, and so everybody's dressed and ready for church at the end of routines. The beds are made, the sink's clean in the bathroom, the toilet is swished, the dishes have been emptied out of the dishwasher and put away, the dirty dishes are in the dishwasher from breakfast, everybody's been fed. What could be better? You might even make the early service. All right, if you decide not to go to church, I don't want you to feel bad about that. I want you to know that this is still a day to renew your spirit. This is a day that you recharge yourself, recommit yourself for the week, right? This is the day that you search yourself and strengthen yourself. And I hope you do. I really hope you do. I want to tell you again and remind you, now we're going to do our routines today, but that's it. So we'll just do the morning routine. We don't do laundry today unless you're a payroll Fly Baby and you just have to, I understand. We don't do paper routine today for anybody. We do our after dinner routine where everyone pitches in as a part of the civilization of your home, the village that is you, and then at the end of the day, the before bed routine. So I wanted to tell you though, once you do that, that's all you're doing today. You're really relaxing with the family, recharging your batteries, right? And I wanted to remind you again that you're so loved, that you're so precious, that you're so wonderful, and you're so strong and courageous and powerful. And also to remind you that you are beautiful. Have a wonderful day.